This is Joe from YoChicago.com. I'm headed to a tree-lined one-way street in Lakeview East, just a few doors from the Broadway strip of bars, restaurants, and shops, for a walk through one of the apartments at Group Fox's Melrose Shores. I'm in the foyer of Unit 5B, a one-bedroom, looking at a very nicely finished bath off to the right as you enter. There's gray tile on the floor and on the tub surround. There's a rain shower head, a pedestal sink, and a wall-mounted medicine cabinet. Proceeding into the unit, there's a closet off to the right, and another closet. You then enter into an explosively sunny living dining area. Great light here. Kitchen has white appliances, honey-stained cabinetry. You're looking at the oak flooring that continues throughout the unit. Different units in the building have different finish packages, some with stainless steel appliances and quartz counters. Bedroom is generously sized, can accommodate any size bed, and it has mirrored closets. 520 Melrose has a very appealing location, just off the miles-long strip of bars, restaurants, and one-of-a-kind shops along Broadway and Clark. You really should put Melrose Shores, 520 West Melrose, on your must-visit list when you're looking for a new apartment in Lakeview East. Head to the building's website to see floor plans and near real-time rent and availability info.